How to make money with memes, coming right up. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Ars from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video I will show you how to make money with memes, how to make money from memes, simply posting memes. Okay, so I will show you top 7 ways, and then I will show you a brand new meme platform that will actually pay you for posting memes. Before we start, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. And if you actually want to get access to this platform that pays you for posting memes, just click on the first link in the description. It will take you to my review of this platform, of this system. So let me share my screen. Let's jump into this how to make money with memes video. First of all, the number 1 way you can make money with memes is simply create t-shirts with memes and sell them. So all you have to do is just set up a Teespring store or maybe some other store that prints the t-shirts for you, and memes are always going viral. You have some epic memes that people love literally for years. That's why you can just create a t-shirt with a popular meme and sell it. This is the first way you can make money with memes. Obviously you will need traffic to your meme store, so you will need eyeballs, human eyeballs on your store in order to make sales. And that's why this brings us to the second way of making money with memes, and is running a meme Instagram page. So I found a few pages right here. These Instagram pages are really popular. This one has 10 million followers, this one has 1 million followers, this one has 4 million followers. So you can go general memes on Instagram, or you can go specific memes like NBA memes, or niche specific. So obviously you can start an Instagram page for free, but you will have to post daily, probably 5 to 10 times a day if you're starting with a brand new account. So it's free, but it does require some work. Number 3, starting a Twitter meme page. So just like with Instagram, this will work perfectly. I found a few right here. We have Bitcoin memes, so again niche specific. We have GTA memes, we have anime memes. So again, you can go broad or you can go niche specific. You can actually run multiple accounts, and actually if you have an Instagram account, you should probably have a Twitter account for memes as well, and just post the same memes. Since you already have these memes, why not post it all over social media? So that's the third way to make money with memes, is starting a Twitter page. Number 4, making money with memes on Fiverr. So I just typed in meme on Fiverr, and as you can see, people charge $5, $10, $15 for gigs related to memes. So some people create memes, some people customize memes, some people do creative and viral memes, they do face swaps. So a bunch of different things you can make with memes. So if you really want to work with memes because you love it, you can make some extra money on Fiverr. You won't become super rich with it, but you can make an extra $5, $10, $15, $20 per gig. So that's number 4. Number 5, you can start a YouTube compilation channels all about memes. So obviously this will require a YouTube account and some video marketing skills, but with that being said, you can just create compilation videos all related to memes and have some fun, post them and make some money. That's number 5. Number 6 is sending traffic to your blog or your website with memes. So obviously with memes you have eyeballs of many different people, sometimes millions. Why not redirect that traffic to your own website or your own blog if you have one? So obviously I have artofmarketingblog.com. So all the memes that I'm posting on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook, I just redirect all the traffic to my website, and then on my website I have multiple different things to sell. So that's number 6. And number 7, I have this brand new meme system that will actually pay you for simply posting memes. Okay, so click on the first link in the description to see my review. The name is Moolah Meme, and as you can see, if you'll actually pick it up through my link, you will get a $10,000 bonus. Okay, so what Moolah Meme does in a nutshell is, first of all, it allows you to create memes, and secondly, it will actually pay you for posting these memes when people upvote them. Okay, so first of all, let me just show you this whole review right here. I have a full review, I have a demo, I have a teaser, I have $10,000 in bonuses if you want to pick it up through my link. I have all this information right here. So if you want to get more details, again, click on the first link in the description. But let me show you the inside of the members area for Moolah Meme. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Again, you are getting paid simply for posting memes. So you have different categories. You have humor, culture, business, music, religious, featured, cash meme, science, arts, sports, technology. So you can post memes literally in any niche that you're interested in. And all you have to do is just really click right here where it says your meme factory. This is where you get to create all these memes. Okay, so as you can see, this is a two-step process. Step 1, click here to read the meme posting rules, and step 2, click on create a new meme, and then once your meme is done, it will be posted within 60 seconds. So let's create a new meme right here. As you can see, all you have to do right here is just add a picture, so you can source it or just upload it from your disk. Then you add text, then you add a headline, and then you share it inside the Moolah meme dashboard. So as you can see, we already have this one that I created, but going back right here to the main dashboard for Moolah meme, your memes will be posted right here to the trending memes page, and as you can see, we have all of these different memes, and you are making money each time someone clicks this button. Love it. Okay, so you'll have to get creative, get some funny memes or some inspiration memes, etc. And then the more people click on that button, they love it, they vote it, the more money you're making. So this is actually very similar to Medium.com. Medium.com pays you for writing articles. So when someone upvotes it, you're actually making money. With this, you only have to create memes. You don't have to create any content, no videos, no blog posts, no nothing. All you do is create memes and make money. So this is one way you can generate money from Moolah meme. And then as you can see, when you click on get started, you have this welcome video, 12 minutes, and it explains this whole system. And another thing is that you can actually use the referral program. So all the information is right here. You can refer people to Moolah meme, and for each person you refer, you're making a commission. So two different ways to make money with Moolah meme, two different ways you can make money with memes. So guys, that's my top 7. Again, click on the first link in the description. It will take you to my Moolah meme review if you want more information and if you actually want to pick it up. If you want to pick it up, make sure to use one of these blue links, and then this way I will send you my $10,000 bonus to it. So this is how to make money with memes in 2021 and 2022. So if you want to make money with memes, this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Before you go, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!